Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add tables to your website on Wix, so let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do when you're in your editor is go over into Add Elements and go over to CMS. Now, your CMS, if it's your first time entering it, won't be connected, so you're going to need to click Connect to CMS so that you can see all these presets and that your website has enabled CMS so that you can add tables. Once you do that, if you go to List, the bottommost tab will be Tables. This will be missing if you don't connect the CMS first, so make sure you do that. And then you have these presets of tables which you can use at will. Now I'll use this just as an example, and it looks something like this. And you can click on Manage Table to, well, manage the table. You can add new columns if you so choose. You can then go into Settings and you can click and select rows by clicking, select cells by clicking, or nothing. You can open links in a new window or in a current window and set up a date format. You can also configure the layout of the table. You can configure the design, as well as stretch it across the full width of your screen, which I do recommend you do. And you can connect to CMS if you want to, and by clicking this, you can then go into datasets, and if you have a collection on your dashboard, and as you can see, I already have one under my CMS. I have this test collection that I've made. You can very easily go and choose that dataset to use as well as a dataset here. And as you can see, it is pretty much not the same. It kinda looks similar, but it's not the dataset I used. I'm really not sure how to enter the data from my dataset, but that is pretty much how you do it. And yeah, that's how you create tables in Wix. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.